All right, English 12. This is the end, people. So this is for Tuesday, the 12th. So just time for a little self-reflection. That's kind of all we're going to do this week. We'll have one more assignment on Wednesday, and Thursday I'll give my thank yous. So respond to the following prompts and explain how or why for full credit. So kind of what skill did you learn that you feel will stick with you kind of academically? What did you learn in my class? Is it writing? Is it close reading? Is it, connecting symbols? Okay, so think back to all the things that we've done this year, and what do you think you got down? Okay, as opposed to that, what skill do you feel you still need to work on? Okay, so I'm gonna leave that up to you to decide. So just tell me, that'll give me a little feedback to, how I can do things better. So again, be honest here with yourself and with me. And that definitely pertains to these next two questions. So, what was your favorite unit and why? So, we did the college paper, we did the namesake, we did American Born Chinese, we did 1984. We did the research paper, we kind of did Death of a Salesman, and then of course we just finished up with Their Eyes Were Watching God. Okay, and then lastly, what was your least favorite unit and why? Okay, so that's all I really need to know. So again, be honest with yourself, be honest with me, you're not going to hurt my feelings. But I thought this would just be a good time to kind of reflect on, how far we've come. Okay, so all right, see you guys tomorrow.